Cúpla frása nua nach gluisim go minic ó fólmór. Iver hain os rudé, meaning since, but not since last Tuesday or whatever, but more so since in terms of because or due to. Since you weren't here yesterday, or seeing that you weren't here yesterday, os rudé nach raibh tú an so inne. Few meaning even. He was there even on Sunday, bhí sé an sin few on Downach. Be careful though, because if you're saying even though, it's going to be cé raibh mé an sin, even though I was there. Iver tree, bhfuin mé sór taith na bhas, I really enjoyed it. So instead of just bhfuin mé taith na bhas, if we want to add very to that sentence, we can add sór, or we can also add ord. Bhfuin mé ord taith na bhas, I really enjoyed it. Agus iver a chathair, hui sé I bhaim it impressed me, or just it affected me. Essentially anything that has a kind of impact on you, but tends to be used more so in the positive sense. So hui sé bhaim it impressed me. Hui sé bhaim go mór it really impressed me. La ha wad ní smó, díreachas sul le seo, bí adháil patreon.com/learnirishonline.